Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and I'm a professional hairstylist. I'm also known as Pretty and Slayed on all my platforms. Today I'm going to walk you through how I do my blow dry prep, and because you always got to begin with a good blow dry to get a good silk press, and that's one of the most important steps obviously in getting a good silk press. So I'm gonna walk you through how I do mine so that you can achieve this look on yourself or with your clients. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all the products that I use and then the step-by-step that I do as far as the blow dry process. At the end, I'm gonna show a little bit of how I silk press her out and then the final result that I get. So make sure if this video is helpful for you, you comment any questions that you might have that I can answer for you, and make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on any tips and tricks that I got for you guys. So let's get into the video. Here is stretching out the hair and also just getting some of the water out the hair as I'm stretching it. I like to stretch it out and then start from the ends of the hair and work my way up through the comb. I'm also using a T3 blow dryer. That's what I like to use usually, but I did just switch to a Dyson. I have not used it yet, but I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about it.